New Year's Eve! Are we all ready?
No.
Are we all ready? Everyone's scrambling. My hair curled? I feel like it's not curled.
It's not curled.
Okay, here's good lighting. This is where we had to take our picture. Yeah, you don't know?
No, apparently not.
I make beauty videos, like makeup videos.
Apparently she makes makeup videos.
You do too?
You have a YouTube channel?
Oh no, I said I have 2 necklaces.
Oh, so we didn't even end up going to the soccer game. No, actually we did end up going to the soccer game, right? But we were just 30 minutes late.
Yeah, everybody
So everybody left.
We didn't go. Because it was over by the time we got.
But we had like our jungle juice thing, and we're drinking it now, and we're going to the plaza. Oh my god. Lynette.
I know what's
What girl? What girl? Let's see.
Turn off the camera.
So at the plaza, there's a whole bunch of booths with food and games, and look what we just got. And all the food here is so good, like so good. Are you excited to get your food?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So they're lighting the Castillo, which is Spanish for castle, and they do it in front of the church, and it's like 15 minutes, and it's all fireworks. Try to avoid it because it actually burns you. So Martin, say 400.
400. 500.
Omar, say 350.
350. Oh, yeah.
Guys, it's coming. It's there.
Run.
It's that. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, I don't want to get that close. That thing, that's the toro, and then they laid up. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Lying down beside you, what's going through your head?
Hey! Hey!
Oh my god.
Build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
We're having a picnic up in the cuesta. Whoever catches the first goat wins, and he found the goat, so he wins. I don't know what he wins, but he wins. So they just did run 2, and this one was a bigger goat, so they get 200 pesos.